In this video today, I will be testing the new CarPlay Smart AI Box from the Linkifun brand. Hey friends, this is Shaz and welcome back to the Ministry of Reviews. This model is called GT6. It's an upgraded model from the previous Z4 and the GT2 models, and it comes with a faster processor and upgraded Android system. Before we start testing this device, let's have a quick look at the specifications in comparison to some of the other devices I have tested on my channel. This device is equipped with a powerful CPU, similar to most of the other high-end models in the market. It runs on the Android 12 system with 4 gigs of RAM, which for me is on the lower side. I would have preferred to have 8 gigs of RAM. It's got 64 gigs of internal storage, which should be enough for most people, but we can also add more storage with a TF card. It also comes with a SIM card tray that will provide 4G internet connectivity. The HDMI option on this device is very useful. You can connect this adapter with your car's main screen as well as the back seat screens. Overall, considering the price, this seems to be a good value for money model. Now, a few things to keep in mind about these kind of CarPlay adapters. These adapters only work in CarPlay enabled cars. So if you don't have the CarPlay function in your car, please don't buy this adapter. The wireless Apple CarPlay and the wireless Android Auto functions are available across all these devices. It's kind of a basic function now, and that's why I didn't mention it on the specifications. These adapters also work with non-touchscreen cars, but you would need to get a Bluetooth Air Mouse Keyboard remote control to operate it. And finally, beware of fake devices. Always buy from official stores. If you buy from unknown sellers, then you will not get any after-sales support, software updates, or troubleshooting guidance. Lots of people have regretted after buying from unknown sellers. Many of my viewers often ask me about my favorite CarPlay AI box. And while my favorite device keeps on changing as new models get launched, currently the Autocast P3 and the MMB Max 3.0 models are my favorites, due to the overall performance and the stability of these devices. Now let's do the unboxing to check out the contents in the box. Okay, so we get a user manual. Then we've got the standard CarPlay device. This is the GT6 model from Linkifun, and we'll come back to this in a while. Let's check out the other contents in the box. Alright, so we get a HDMI converter. Now this HDMI converts from the regular HDMI wire or the cable to the mini HDMI socket here, and this connects with the CarPlay device, and then this connects with the regular HDMI cable. So this is nice. We also get an external microphone. Now most of the cars have built-in microphones. Even your mobiles, when connected with this device, would have the microphone, but in case you want to add an external microphone, you can certainly do that. They've given this in the box itself, so you can use this. All right, then we get 2 cables, and now these are the cables that you connect with the device, and the other end connects with the USB port in your car. Now some cars have a USB-A slot and some cars have USB-C, so depending on your car you would need to connect one of these devices with your car's USB port, and the other end connects with the device. My car has a type C, this one, so I'll connect one end with the device and the other end connects with the USB port in my car. And then finally you also get a SIM card tray opener. Alright, so now let's have a closer look at this GT6 CarPlay Smart AI box. It comes with this plastic wrapping. Let's take it off. So you get the name of the brand, the Linkifun brand mentioned right on top. You've got some LED indicators here, so once you connect it you'll see these turn on, red, blue, green. Now in terms of the design, the first thing is it's extremely slim. As you can see, it's very slim design, and it's very lightweight as well. It's all plastic, that's why. So in terms of the connections, on this side you have the mini HDMI connection. The other side has this type C connection. This is where you actually connect the cable that connects with your car. You also have this for the external microphone. So if you want to connect the external microphone, you need to connect the external microphone in this socket here like that. And then you get two trays. The tray on top is for the SIM card, and the one at the bottom is for the SD memory card, the TF card. So you just need to use this pin to open the SIM card tray, and then you can insert a SIM card and SD memory card or TF card here for external memory. Now, so that's it. So these are all the connections that you get on this device. I must say it's extremely slim and very, very lightweight. I really like the design. It's this black and gold trim that looks quite nice. So now let me take this out. I'll connect it with my car, and then we start testing the different functions and features to see the overall performance of this new Linkifun GT6 Smart CarPlay AI Box. So keep watching, guys. Alright friends, so I'm in my car. I've got the device ready here with me. Now I'll connect this with the system of my car, and at the same time I will see how long does this take to start. So I've got my stopwatch ready here as well. We just want to see how long does this device take to start and get to the main home page of the Android system. Alright, so let me now connect it with my car. Let's start the timer. Alright, so it takes about 33 seconds for the device to start up and get to the main home page or the landing page of the system. Alright, so guys, this is the main home page or the landing page of this Linkifun GT6 Android CarPlay media adapter. I must say it looks very nice. It's very clean user interface and the layout. I'm quite impressed with it. I kind of like this small widgets appearing on the main screen, with shortcuts, favorites that allows you to just go to a certain application with a one click. So this is the main layout. I'll give you a quick tour. So on the top left you have the time, then you have the connectivity. I've inserted my SIM card in this device. We just wanted to check the SIM card connectivity with this, so I've inserted that, and you get the 4G connection strength here. Then you have the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi and the location, all those connections appearing here. Then you have 4 shortcuts, so it takes you to the navigation, music, full app view and videos. Then this is where you have more views, so if you click on this it will show you the navigation as well as the media playing, and then you click on this, come back to this main home page. Now on the main screen you've got the media, then you've got connectivity, so mobile data is on, then you've got the weather, you've got shortcuts to the wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, mobile screen mirroring, and then on the right side you have option of adding 6 favorite applications. Now you have file manager, clear task. We can add a few more. Just click on this and then it will give you the full app view. We click on some of the other applications that we would like to add. So this is a very nice option. You can add up to 6 favorite applications on this main home page. Now if you want to go and see all the applications that are installed on this, you simply need to swipe up and then you get to see all the different applications available on this device. Now this is an Android device, so you can in fact go to the Google Play Store, or you can go to any of the APK stores to install applications on this device. There are quite a few of the pre-installed apps, but if you want to install more, you can certainly go and install those applications. Alright, so this was a quick overview of the layout. Now as I said earlier, I've inserted a data SIM card and I just want to see if the data SIM card connectivity is working. So let's go to YouTube and see if it's working. Alright, so YouTube seems to be fast, and as you can see the connectivity is working. We can play a video here. Alright, so the SIM card connectivity is working. Alright, so friends, I've removed the SIM card from the device and now I want to connect this with the mobile hotspot. So we click on this icon here, just long press, it will take you to the Wi-Fi connection. Here I should be able to see my mobile's hotspot appearing here. Alright, so this is my mobile hotspot. Let's connect it. Alright, so now the device is connected with my mobile's hotspot overall. So the first thing we will test is YouTube. Alright, so let's increase the screen. So this is a full screen view. Now we can also change the output resolution. So we just need to go to the quality section here, click on advanced, and we can in fact select all the way up to 2160p. But for a small screen like this, I think 1080p is good enough. I just don't want to overload the device because 1080p on a small screen is extremely clear. You don't need to go more than 1080p. It just overloads the device and the YouTube application. So as you can see, it's very clear. It's extremely smooth. The colors are quite nice and bright, and doesn't lag or buffer at all. So quite happy with this. And now because this is connected with the screen here, I can also use my steering wheel controls to control the volume. Now the other application I want to test is the navigation. Now you can install your own navigation applications. You've got the Google Maps, which is the default one here, but if you want to select a different one, like I like Waze, so I would just go and click on Waze. There you go, and then we just simply select a location. Let's pick up a gas station. And as you can see, it's quite fast. It loads quite quickly.
Let's take Street 57 Al Badaa and D92 Al Wasl Street Jumeirah 1.
Alright, so navigation is working quite nicely. It's quite responsive. The voice, the navigation voice is also working, and you can mute that as well if you want. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the navigation here. Alright, so the next thing I would like to test is just go to the file manager here. I've got a SD memory card also installed onto this device, and I just want to see what kind of video files we can play. I've got a 4K test video here. This is the one. Let's see if this device can play 4K video. Alright, so we can play 4K videos through the flash drive or through the SD memory card that we have installed. And then again, we've got other videos as well. This is another 4K video. The clarity is very good, and again the colors and the brightness is also quite good. So this device also comes with the split screen function, which is one of my favorite function on these adapters. Now in this function you actually get two applications running side by side at the same time, which is a very convenient option, especially if you're traveling with family or friends in the car. So for example, if you are on navigation, you simply click here, go to the split screen, press this button, select split screen, and now you will have navigation running on the left side, and you can select another application to run on the right side, and both these applications are running at the same time. They're live, so you can follow the navigation while your co-passengers, family, friends can enjoy a video on YouTube, Netflix, or any other application. So definitely a very nice feature to have in the car. Alright, now let's connect the wireless Apple CarPlay. So we click on this Car Auto. Then what we need to do is go to the iPhone, look for a new device as GT6, this one. Click on GT6. And that's it. So very quick to connect Apple CarPlay. You just need to connect it with the device, and then it takes about a few seconds to take you directly to the homepage of Apple CarPlay. Now this is a standard homepage of Apple CarPlay. I will not explain the different functions and features of Apple CarPlay. If you want to know more about it, you can simply go to my previous videos and get all the details. I just wanted to check if Apple CarPlay is working on this device. As you can see, it's working quite nicely. Now we can also get the mobile screen mirroring with this device, and I'll do it for iPhone, but you can do the same with Android mobile as well through this Android casting option. So we click on AirPlay. This is for iPhone, and just from your iPhone, drop down, click on screen mirroring. Then you get this device here. Click on this, and then in a few seconds the screen of your mobile will be mirrored on the screen of your car. There you go. So it's a very easy, convenient kind of a function. You can simply get everything that you have on your mobile appear on the screen of your car here. Alright, so the last thing I would like to test on this device is the Live TV app. Now you can install the app for free. It's called IPTV Smarters. You can go to Google Play Store or you can go to the APK stores to download the application. It's free, but you need to buy a TV package to run on this application. So I've got a test package here. Let's click on this. Now this is a very nice app to have. Now because this device can be connected to HDMI, so you can take this at home, connect it with your TV, and then watch the live content at home. So I've got this test package. Let's click on this. I just want to see if the live TV channels are working, because this is one of my favorite apps that I run in my car. Alright, so the live TV app is working. You can see the channels are working. Alright, so I'm quite happy with the Live TV app on this device. It's working quite nicely, very smooth, no buffering of any sort, and the colors and the quality is quite good as well. That's it guys, this was a very quick review of this Linkifun GT6 CarPlay media adapter. We've tested quite a few of the different applications, the functionality of this, everything seems to be working quite nicely. I've used it for some time now, and I can tell you it's a very stable device. And if you guys are interested in this Linkifun GT6 CarPlay media adapter, you simply need to go to the link in the description of this video that takes you directly to the official store where you can buy this new Linkifun GT6 CarPlay media adapter. That's it friends. If you like my content, you can go and support this channel with the super thanks icon below. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching guys.